Perez, Photography Director at Cast W Kids. Isaiah Alicea and I run the Summer Youth Photography Workshop, and we are proud to present the following Summer 2019 recap. Enjoy.
What was your favorite experience?
The memes.
Okay.
When we were making memes.
Why?
That was pretty nice holding a book because I kind of like to read, including comics.
I like taking photos because there I can learn how to use the camera.
My favorite part was obviously making memes because most people like memes, and I just like making things that people love to do. The energy that the kids bring in every day, they're really excited to learn. I'm glad to help them out, and they're really excited to ask questions. They come up to me, can I be in your group? Can I ask you something? And yeah, that's a great experience.
3, 2, 1.
And Tableau was just fun altogether. Photography is fun altogether. I love every Friday.
Our experience so far has been good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I came in first. I was like, kids, they're fun. And then like when I really started working with them, I realized how much I really love kids. And like, I have my own little sister, and I was like, you know what, kids are gonna be this, but the kids here, they're great. I think like next year I'm definitely gonna be a camp counselor. And yeah, like it's fun working with the photography program.
I enjoy taking photos, and this program like really helped me learn how to, and like different types of photography, like studio shoots and take pictures of kids and doing with them. So I really enjoyed it.
I like when we like created the memes and then we like posted it on Snapchat.
Working with the summer camp has been a lot of fun, very interesting because the kids are all have a lot of talent. Like they're really funny and like they bring something new. The photography skills that we learned have been very helpful because I can now apply it to the pictures I take. Like for example, I learned about contrast, learned about the specific angle you can take photos at, and like it's been very helpful because I want to pursue photography, maybe not as a career, but like as a hobby in the future, and see where that takes me.
My experience for working with the summer camp has been great because I really like kids and I love working with them. So this gave me an experience to like take pictures of them and see like their true colors and also like bond with them. A good moment is like when I got kids to open up. Like some didn't want to take pictures, some didn't want to have pictures taken of them. It was just good to have them open up and actually like show their creativity.
So if you have some ideas, throw it out there. Yeah? But let's get back to that.
I've never been like in a photo shoot with like more than one person, so it's like completely different. And I just like way better.
Day you made everybody stand up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I was so
I had to get out of my seat.
I was so uncomfortable. I was like,
I remember. I'll tell you. So when they were late to work, they had to sing a song in front of the whole class, and they got to sing Let It Go. It was hilarious. I wish you could find that video. We don't have a video of it.
It's a very fun experience, and I feel like you will learn a lot in this program. Don't be shy at all, because everyone in this class is going to support you. You guys are here for a couple of weeks. You're going to get to know each other, so just like have fun, take the pictures, post them on Instagram, you know. So like, just have fun, honestly.
Too fast. Right. Yeah. Say that again.
This is a picture of a sari. A sari is a beautiful garment from India that has drapes covering the body and consists of different designs and colors. There are many jewels and sequins, which is a huge part of a sari. People wear these to special events or weddings. This picture represents fashion because it conveys how styles and clothing can differ and how countries have its own traditional clothing.
Fashion is incorporated in every aspect of our life and society. It often changes and is unique to everyone. For my photo, I decided to incorporate the modern culture of New York, and that is why there's graffiti behind the model. I saw this setting as a modern take on culture and felt that having a model there would really portray the fact that fashion is linked with all aspects of life, including our culture.
Music is seen in many places: movies, stores, restaurants, at parties, and in congregations. The picture above was taken at a special church service meant to bring young people together to have a lifetime of an experience, where you can see youth joining together and playing music to worship God, while also enjoying an amazing service, showing a sense of community, culture, and joy.
The picture I've submitted was a piano. The piano is an iconic instrument that has been used time and time again in different types of music around the world, from hip-hop, pop music, jazz, etc. Music represents culture in a lot of different ways, and I personally feel that the piano is a very well-known attribute to music.
Seton Park is a local park in Riverdale. Families from all over the neighborhood come to celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays like the 4th of July. The family pictured above is celebrating a children's birthday party. Celebrating birthdays is an aspect of American culture and the community's culture.
This photo celebration represents the coming together of our communities and cultures through mutual gathering and music. Gatherings like this are examples of my culture as an African American.
When someone hears the word tradition, they often think about the beliefs or customs of a specific racial, ethnic, or religious group dating back many years. However, a tradition can be much simpler than that, such as going to a local park on a summer day, shared amongst the community. I have been coming to this park almost every day in the summer, whether to be to meet up with friends, relax outside, or someplace I need to go to just think. Many parents bring their kids here during summer days so little ones can socialize and mingle with their friends when school is out. A place where people of all origins can interact with one another.
I took this picture because I feel like flags are the most important part of someone's culture. The flag is something you stand by, something that represents your people. That's why I took this picture of my flag, because I think my flag is very beautiful, and I knew it represented me and my culture.